All right, Algebra 1, we're talking about slope formula some more today, but today we're actually going backwards. So yesterday, and the day before, we talked about the slope formula, y minus y over x minus x, all that good stuff. So that still is true today. So let's just do one for example real quick, like number 11. I'm still doing the slope equals y minus y, so negative 2 minus negative 9 over 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. So in this case, minus a minus becomes a plus, so negative 2 plus 9 is 7 over 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And so you just check for your sign, and if you can't do anything else as far as reducing or the sign goes, you just write your answer. It's negative 7 over 2. Now, you could have circled this answer and it would have been fine, but usually I like to put the negative sign either out front or with the top number, okay? But anyway, that's the slope formula. So the slope formula is still going to be the same. I have to make sure to go y minus y over x minus x. And again, just make sure you're staying consistent. So if you're starting with the second one, you got to start with the second one on the bottom too. Okay? But going backwards, we might be given the slope this time, and then only one of the y's or one of the x's. Okay? And if that's the case, we have to use some cross multiplication. So if my slope is negative 4 over 5, that's m. Okay? So instead of saying m equals y minus y over x minus x, now it's going to be negative 4 over 5 equals y minus y, so that'd be 6 minus y over, or actually I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to go the second one minus the first one. So y minus 6, y minus 6 over x minus x, so 5 minus negative 5. Okay, and so I'm just working that out, so it becomes negative 4 over 5 equals y minus 6 over 10. And so this is where we're going to cross multiply. This is a proportion. So cross multiplication means I'm going 5 times y minus 6 equals negative 4 times 10 is negative 40. And then I just solve. So I can either divide by 5 or distribute. I think most of you would probably decide to distribute, which is fine. And so I'm going to get the y by itself and find out what this y value is. So 5y equals negative 10. Divide by 5, I get y equals negative 2. And there's my missing value. Okay? Now, that obviously took a little longer than it will have to every time. Okay? But that's kind of the idea. All right? So in this case, my m is 2. So it's 2 equals y minus y, 6 minus negative 2, over x minus x. So x minus negative 3. Both of those become plus. So I've got 2 equals 8 over x plus 3. And now I can go ahead and cross multiply. Now, to cross multiply, I need to change this 2 into a fraction, 2 over 1. So anytime you are going backwards, you probably want to change your slope to a fraction so that then we can cross multiply. So 2 times x plus 3 equals 8 times 1, which is 8. So distribute 2x plus 6. Did I do that other one wrong? No, I did it right. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6, equals 8. Now we solve for x. So subtract 6 to both sides. I get 2x equals 2. Divide by 2, I get x equals 1. And there we are. Okay, so same thing on number 15. I usually put the negative with the top number just to keep it consistent. So I've got negative 9 over 2 equals y minus y, so y minus negative 4, which becomes plus 4, over negative 5 over minus negative 3, which again becomes plus 3. So I've got negative 9 over 2 equals y plus 4 on top. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 on bottom. And now we can cross multiply once again. So 2 times y plus 4 equals negative times negative is positive 18. And so we're good to go ahead and cross distribute 2y plus 8 equals 18. And now let's finish it out. So 2y equals 10. Divide by 2, I get y equals 5. And there we are. Okay? So it's just a matter of setting it up. M equals y minus y over x minus x. Plug everything in. So let's do a couple more here. Number 17. Again, I'm going to make this 4 over 1. So negative 4 over 1 equals, I'm going to start with the one with the variable, so y minus negative 7, which becomes plus 7. Negative 3 minus 1. So that's negative 4 over 1 equals y plus 7 over negative 4. And now let's cross multiply. So y plus 7 equals, negative times negative is positive 16. Subtract 7. And I get y equals 9. All right. So one more, last one. 3 over 4 is my slope, so 3 over 4 equals y minus y, which is y minus 5 in this case, and x minus x, so 4 minus 0. So 3 over 4 equals y minus 5 over 4. Cross multiply, so 4 times y minus 5 equals 3 times 4 is 12. And now let's go ahead and distribute and solve. So 4y minus 20 equals 12. Add 20 to both sides. I get 4y equals 32. Divide by 4, I get y equals 8. So, again, no harm in using the calculator at any time, but just make sure to set that up with your m equals y minus y. So the setup, we're not going to finish this one, but 1 over 3 equals y minus y, so y minus negative 2. If it's a minus, make it a plus. Negative 3 minus 9, and then solve from there. And again, you want to make sure to go 1/3 plus 2, negative 12, and now cross multiply and solve. Okay? So, let me know if you have questions, and be prepared for a quiz on Friday. Peace.